Hi, it's Dorothy Guining with Scrapbooking Quebec. In this video, I'm going to share with you the September 2024 release for Mercy Tiara Kits called Smile. My design team box includes the main kit, pattern paper and cardstock add-ons, the embellishment add-on, and the mixed media add-on. And I have tons of fabulous product to share, and I'm super excited. At the end of this video, I will explain how I organize my kits for the month, and I will show you the coordinating ink colors that I selected for it. Below you will find a bunch of links, including to the Mercy Tiara Kit shop where you can purchase all of these kits. So let's have a look at Smile. First, we're going to look at the main kit and the pattern paper add-on. So each kit comes with a newsletter. I'll go through that at the end of this video. Here are the embellishments for the main kit. I'm just going to toss them aside. And first, we're going to go through the papers. So again, I have 12 papers that are in the main kit and 12 identical papers that are in the pattern paper add-on. This first floral paper and the flip side are from Chamel's Reasons to Smile collection. Same thing here with that kind of pinkish purplish tone-on-tone heart along with the, I'm sorry, it's not heart, it's stars. And the flip side is knapsacks, again from Chamel. This tag paper and the blue flip side is from the Paige Evans Adventurous collection. Now we're back to Chamel with this navy background with bright florals on it. So this is Reasons to Smile. The flip side has like a teal background with little white flowers and green leaves on top. This one here from Chamel as well, a beautiful stripe. And if you look at it closely, there's a light wood grain texture on the back. The flip side almost looks like pillows or blankets all folded up. Here's another one from Chamel. I really love it. A bunch of plants, and the background again has a light wood grain texture to it. The flip side of that one is a tone-on-tone pink, again a wood grain. This one here, we're back to Paige Evans, the Adventurous collection, so kind of a diagonal floral design. And the flip side is like a blue speckled print, super, super pretty. Now we are back to Chamel. This is a bright and colorful rainbow paper, and on it there are words. Really, really cute and very colorful. The flip side is a yellowish orange tone-on-tone heart. And now the next one, another Chamel. So one of her signature camera prints. So it's a navy background with white cameras. The flip side of this is a heart print, so rows of hearts. And now we are back to Paige Evans, but you can see how nicely these two papers coordinate together. You would definitely think they were all part of the same collection. Now this is a text print, the flip side, and I like it because the text is in dark blue. I find that very interesting. Often you see those typed text prints with black and white. I just showed you a moment ago a paper with a bunch of butterflies on it. The flip side is a pink tone-on-tone floral. There is an ombre, I don't know, they're little flowers, I think. That is as well from Paige Evans, and the flip side is a bright yellow paper. Now I am getting out the embellishments for the main kit. So basically right now I'm just counting them. There are 5 embellishments that go in the main kit. I will go through these in a little bit more detail. One of them is this specialty paper from Chamel. Super, super cool. I'm getting out that rainbow paper, and indeed it does work. You can use it on that, of course, or you can use it on a plain paper. You could even use it white on white, I suppose, with maybe a bit of mixed media in the background. There's probably lots of things you can do with that. So it's kind of like a cut file already made for you. I also have the embellishments kind of in a photo up in the corner. That's because you're going to see I'm a little out of frame here. These sparkly alphas are from Chamel's Reason to Smile. So they are blue and sparkly, super, super beautiful. They are a foam alpha. Here are the stickers. So that is a 6 by 12 or 12 by 12 because it folds out really. And that is from Chamel's Reasons to Smile collection as well. So in addition to this, there are also ephemera pieces. So this is actually, first I'm showing you the exclusive sequin mix, which is absolutely beautiful. Tracy's husband, Scott, makes these and he is very talented. I love the blues and purples with pops of yellow in there. And now we have the ephemera pack, which is from Paige Evans, the Adventurous Collection. I'm showing you the back of it, lots of frames, tags, stuff like that, but I am going to open it up and show you what's inside here. So I think, I don't have it in front of me, I think there are like 60 pieces in here. I'm showing you as well, they are a fairly substantial cardstock and slightly coated. Not a high gloss, but I would say a low gloss on these papers. You can see there is a variety of sizes in here, and I'm looking at them, and the colors work obviously well with the Paige Evans papers, but they also work really well with the Chamel Reasons to Smile. It's like they all came out of the very same die lot. So there's some more pieces as well. I'm going to open up the top part as well. So these are smaller bits and pieces. Also in here, there are little vellum pieces as well, which is kind of interesting. So the Paige Evans Collection Adventurous has a very slight travel theme, but more from what I can see on an everyday. There's an airplane, some geotags, but a lot of it's very general. I'm just pulling out one of the pieces because I am quite fascinated at how the colors work well with the Chamel papers, how Adventurous and Reasons to Smile go really well together. I just pulled out a Chamel paper there with a Paige Evans ephemera piece, and you could see they went really, really well together. I am going to put all of this away in my DIY Kit Caddy. At the very end of this video, I will show you what this Kit Caddy looks like. I find it particularly useful. Again, I'll show it to you at the end of the video, and now we're going to go through the embellishment add-on. So first we're counting the pieces. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and there's also a little extra one there. In a minute you're going to see it's a little silver charm. I'm looking at those pom-poms. They're absolutely huge. We have 1 yard of that. That's a little charm, a little silver charm with scissors. So we're going to have a closer look at that. This is a titles pack from the Reasons to Smile collection. Beautiful, lots of words, and also other images like hearts, flowers, books, all kinds of fun stuff here. Really, really pretty. There's also puffy stickers, again, from Chamel's Reasons to Smile. Very colorful, very fun images. So it's really fun to have a variety in sizes. Here's that pom-pom trim. These are absolutely huge. Tracy did have an idea of cutting half the pom-poms off and putting them in the album. I think I'm going to be using it to create a mini album or a few mini albums. I like to make those really, really chunky. Now I am going through the ephemera pack. This is from the Paige Evans Adventurous Collection. It's the floral ephemera pack. Same thing as the other ephemera pack I showed you. They are slightly coated, so they're not high gloss, but they are slightly glossed, and they are a nice thick cardstock, or a nice, yeah, a fairly good substantial piece for an ephemera piece. Also, there are some vellum pieces in here as well, so you can see I have lots of bits and pieces. I love floral ephemera, so I should have no trouble whatsoever using this. There's another little part there with smaller flowers. There's even a few lemons in here, which kind of surprised me. So anyway, that is the floral ephemera pack. And there is also an acrylic piece, which is exclusive for the Mercy Tiara kits. This is created by Creative Designs by Carrie. So it's the word smile. You can see there's an outline with an inlay, and the inlay, not to waste anything, we have the letters there. So they spell out the word smile, including the little dot that's on the eye. So these are incredibly intricate and they are quite nice. This is the second month in a row we have these fun acrylic titles. So I'm going to pack this away in my DIY caddy. Now we're going to have a look at the mixed media add-on. So we get 3 Distress Spritz sprays from Ranger. So the colors we get here are, let me see here, we have Wilted Violet. It's like a purple. We also get peacock feathers, so a nice blue. You can see I've already sprayed it on a tag. And the third one is called worn lipstick. So it's kind of a pinkish red there. So these coordinate very nicely with the collection. I got out this striped paper from Chamel just to give you an idea. You can see all of the colors are in there. This is so incredibly pretty. So this is going to get me to do a bit of mixed media this month as well. I'm really having fun with that lately. Now I'm showing you the cardstock add-on. So what we get here are 8 sheets of paper. So 8 cardstocks in 4 different colors. And what I'm going to do is write the colors on the screen because I don't have them here while I'm doing my voiceover, and I don't want to stop my voiceover. But you can see we basically have pink, kind of an aqua. That purple I think is called Heidi. We also have that blue, and there are 2 of each one of those. Now what we're going to do is have a look at the newsletter. So this comes with each one of the kits. So at the beginning, Tracy, the kit owner, writes a little blurb about the kit. There's also a photo of the kit on the front cover. The next page is the color palette. Now I went and found inks from Stampin' Up! And I will show those to you in a minute. So if you're interested in that, hang on. There's journaling prompts. There's also a community corner. We are focusing on Tiara Van Morsel. She is part of our community. She has a YouTube channel and she is super talented. So she's in our newsletter. This is a kit planning tool. I've already started filling it in, including an area where you can do some sketches. And I just got this kit yesterday and I've already got that filled out. And on the back, there is a sketch. That is the sketch challenge on our Facebook group. And there's a link to that Facebook group in the description box below. And there is a $25 prize to the Mercy Tiara Kit shop for that challenge. So that's really interesting. Now let's have a look at my ink colors here. So you can see I did a bit of testing. I stamped once without re-inking. I stamped again and again. So that gives me a gradient of the colors. The first one I selected, these are all from Stampin' Up!, is Blueberry Bushel. And I'm showing you my little chart there. I don't always get these perfectly, but I look at my stash and I do the best I can. The second one I selected is Misty Moonlight. The third one, Rococo Rose. Now, I'm not sure about that one, but that was the best I could do. The next one here, the yellow, I selected Pineapple Punch. I'm just showing you the Rococo Rose there. I really wasn't happy with it. You can see I'm fussing over it as I'm showing you. On camera, it doesn't look too bad, but in person, I wasn't particularly happy. So this yellow one is Pineapple Punch. I was okay with that. The next one I selected is Moody Mauve. That one was not a problem either. The next one as well, I'm just showing you all of the colors there, showing you my little chart. The next one is Pretty Peacock. So it's kind of like a teal, but kind of leaning on the blue side. Blushing Bride, that pink, I'm not happy with it either. You can see me waving my hand. And this one here kind of surprised me. I selected Peekaboo Peach. I really didn't think that was what would work, but when I stamped it, that was what worked best from my stash. Anyway, those are the colors. Now let's have a look at my DIY Kit Caddy that I use every month. Basically, I have a basket that measures, it's 14 by 11 and the sides kind of go straight up. It fits everything. I'm showing you that towards the back, standing up, that's where I keep my paper along with my larger pieces, kind of like my alphas and my 6 by 12 sticker sheets, titles, stuff like that. You're going to notice as well in the back there, I have like a piece of cardstock that just kind of keeps everything upright. Also in the bin, I have 2 refrigerator bins. I'm showing you they are divided. Again, I got these at the dollar store. Now in the back, I have these 2 mini iris containers. I think they're for photos. I got them at Michael's, I believe. That's where I keep my ephemera. So this kit I showed you had 2 ephemera packs. So in each one of these, I have an ephemera pack. For me, I find it easier when I'm creating to flip through that than to open up packaging. I do keep the packaging, however, it's great for reference. Also, I will use it at the end of the month when I have leftovers. In the rest of that section there. I just basically keep smaller bits and pieces. Right now, I just have the puppy stickers. So there's another one of those little refrigerator bins that are divided. You can see that I keep my inks that I've selected right in both of the sections. So they are ready to go for the month. I also have these little stackable bins that I'm showing you, and I keep smaller stuff there. So I'm showing you that I have the sequins, some other smaller stuff. I also have my little tags that I spritz so that I can see what color inks that I have or what color sprays that I have. I also have that really fun pom-pom trim there and my sprays. So this kit is all packed and ready to go. I've been using this since I started with Mercy Tiara Kits, and it's been working fabulously. I'm throwing a few more things in from my stash. Those are foam titles. They are simple vintage essential titles. They were in the embellishment add-on last month. I'm not joking. Every one of the colors that I have left there can be found in this month's kit, Smile. Also, there are puffy stickers from Lawn Fawn that were in the embellishment add-on last month. Again, perfect for this kit. So if you have those products and you have this Smile kit, slip them in because you are going to get lots of use out of them. So here I am all organized and ready to play. I will be doing a few process videos with this, so stay tuned for that. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, I'd greatly appreciate a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, Scrapbooking Quebec, I would be honored if you did. And if you are a subscriber, thank you very, very much. Check out the Mercy Tiara Kit Club. Links are listed below. The kits are fabulous. Take care, and I will be back in a few days with the rest of my material that I plan to be playing with in September. Have a great day. Bye-bye.